WhatsApp allows you to connect with your friends and family. In this video, we will show you how you can use bullet list, number lists, block quotes, and inline code in any WhatsApp chat. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device by tapping on its icon. On the home screen of the app, tap on the chat in which you want to use any of the text formats. Tap on the message bar at the bottom of the screen. First, we will show you how you can create bullet lists. Tap on the number button at the bottom to switch your keyboard. Here, tap on this button. Tap on the spacebar at bottom. As you can see, the dash will change into a bullet point. Type the text you want to use as a point and then tap on this button to start a new line. The next bullet point will be created automatically. You can create as many new bullet points as you want and tap on send button to send it in the chat. This is how the bullet list will look like in the chat. Next, we will show you how you can create a number list in any chat. Type in 1 in the message bar. Tap on this button and then tap on spacebar. You can now make the number list by typing a text you want to use. Similar to the bullet list, you can add as many items to the list by tapping on enter button to start a new line and typing the items. Tap on send button to send it in the chat. The number lists will look like this in the chat. To create a block quote, tap on this button. Now tap here. Tap on spacebar and enter the text you want to use as a block quote. Tap on enter to start a new line. This is different from the bullet list and the number lists, as you will need to create a new block quote for every line if you want multiple block quote in a text. Enter a new block quote or type simple text at the bottom and tap on send button to send the text in the chat. This is how a block quote will look like in the chat. The block quotes allows you to highlight quotes in a large sections of text from another source. Lastly, we will show you how you can use inline code in any WhatsApp chat. Tap on this button on your keyboard. Next, enter the text you want to add as inline code. However, make sure not to use any space between the symbol and the text. If you have any space between them, the inline code feature will not work and the text will appear as simple text in chat. Again, tap on this button to add the symbol again at the end of the text. The text will change to inline code and the symbols at the end and the start will disappear. Tap on send button to send the text in the chat. The inline code will appear like this in the chat. All these options make it easy to draw attention to important information in the chat. It also makes the data look more presentable and professional.